you have to prove value of determinant equal to this by using properties of determinant. By using properties of determinant. How you prove this is equal to this? So value of determinant is this. You can prove by expanding the determinant. By expanding the determinant. Okay. But B expand determinant not a simple method. First B makes maximum 0 in one of the row or column of the determinant, and then expand the determinant with respect to that row or column. Then your calculation becomes very simple. When you expand simply, then your calculation becomes very complicated. So to avoid this complication, we make maximum 0 in one of the row or column by using properties of determinant. Okay. So how you make maximum 0 in one of the row or column? So first observe the given determinant and think how we start to solve the problem so that we get same term in this. Okay. So if B I if we replace R1 okay, by sum of R1, R2, R3, then you see that it is each element of the row R1 becomes same. Okay, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. So when each element of the row becomes same, then we take it as a common. We take out this from out of the result. We take out this from the result. Right? Okay. So R1 is replaced by R2 plus R2 plus R3. Then your first row becomes x plus x to x. Okay. Y plus y to y. Okay. Or z plus z. Second element becomes x plus x to x, y plus y to y, and z plus z to z. Your third element becomes x plus y plus z. There is no change in second row and third row. So write second row, third row as it is. Z plus x, y plus z, y. And x plus y, z plus x, and okay. Now so here x plus y plus z, 2 is common in each term. So write x plus y plus z. Yes. 2 is common in each term. 2x plus y plus z. This is your x plus y plus z. So this is your z plus x, y plus z, and y. This is your x plus y and z plus x and z. So row 1, element of row 1 are multiple of x plus y plus z. So we take x plus y plus z as a common. So when we take common from first row, take x plus y plus z common. X plus y z, x plus y z, x plus y z. So take this common. Okay. Then this become 2, this become 2, this become 1. 2, 2, 1. Okay. And no change in third, second and third row. So write this and it is y plus z, y x plus y, ठीक है, z plus x and z. Now we make maximum 0. Now we have at stage to make maximum 0 in first row. Okay. How we make maximum 0 in first row? Replace C2 by replace C1 by C1 minus 2 times C3 and C2 by C2 minus 2 times C3. This becomes x plus y plus z. So 2, when you multiply this by 2, then this becomes 2y 2z. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Write it to minus 2. And this becomes 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So write it to minus 2. 1. Now R1 is this z plus x minus 2 times of this minus 2y and y plus z and 2 times of this minus 2y or no change in third term. Write x plus y minus 2 times of this 2z z plus x minus 2z. This is it. So this becomes x plus y so z. So this becomes 0, 0 and 1. So this becomes x plus z plus x minus 2y. Or this becomes y plus this is z minus 2y plus y like that. So subtracted. This is plus y. This is minus 2y. So like that, so these two terms are subtracted. So you get z minus y, a. Y minus 2y minus 2. This is of x plus y minus 2z. Here, these two are like terms, so subtracted. Become x minus x. And this is your z. So thus we have made 2 0 in first row. So now we expand or determine with respect to first. So this becomes x plus y plus z into. So when we expand, we determine with respect to first row, then value corresponding to this becomes 0, value corresponding to this becomes 0. So we learn also terms corresponding to these two zeros. We so term corresponding to this one. So write that one and leave the row, leave the column and row. In which one is particular. You know? We write plus sign of y is plus value of element 1 and leave the row and column in which 1 is particular. And write subdeterminant. Write subdeterminant. Use subdeterminant in this. Now, we write this. Then you get z plus x minus 2y, z minus y, x plus y minus 2z, x minus z. Now, we obey the data. Multiply from top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom positive, bottom to top negative. So this becomes x plus y plus z. Inside bracket z plus x minus 2y x minus z minus minus z minus y x plus y minus now multiply. So this is x plus y plus z. Multiply. So zx plus x square minus 2xy. Okay. Then minus z square minus zx plus 2yz. Multiply this. So zx plus zy minus 2z square minus yx minus y square plus 2y. So this is your x square in terms of x square. This is different models. This is your minus z square and this is your minus 2z square. X plus y plus z x square minus z square and first write y square. Write in order. X then y then with x square. Now find terms of y square. The terms of y square is this. So this is negative, but this negative becomes positive after multiplication of this. When you open the bracket, then this negative become positive. Okay. So terms of y become positive y square. Now we find terms of z square minus z square minus 2z square. So but this minus 2z square become positive. This minus and multiply with this become positive. So these two terms are like 2 power 2 power. So plus 2z square and minus z square become z square. So these two terms, solution of these two terms is plus z square plus z. So that is plus z square. Now we write terms of x square. Terms of x. So this is there x1. Any more terms? Here x1. So there are two terms of x1, minus x1 and minus x1, but this minus xy become plus. This minus xy become plus. So minus 2xy minus 2y(x) you get term minus 2y(x) and plus y(x). So this become x minus x. This become minus x. These two terms subtracted and comes up and sign of greater terms comes. So greater terms is negative, so negative x. Now we find yz terms of y. So this is plus 2yz and this is minus 2yz. Plus 2yz and minus yz become yz. Become right here y. Plus